Today we are here with Hussain. He's from Somalia and we are planning his hair transplant. He has already undergone his hair transplant few years back, but as you can see there are many patches here and we are doing a recorrective hair transplant for him. As you can see in this complete area only there is growth in few patches. That too the hair are very scanty. So we are going to plan the transplant for this area. As you can see, the donor is not very well versed, so we'll be taking the donor very carefully. Harvesting is going to be again a very important step in this transplant, because harvesting not only involves the donor area, the back of the scalp, the donor also includes the beard. As you can see, the beard is quite curly and frizzy, so this is again going to be a challenge. So whenever we are planning a hair transplant for curly and frizzy hair, it requires additional measures to be taken care of. The slit should be perfect. The donor area, the harvesting should be perfect. Even the implantation plays a major role. Especially in these type of cases, we use implanter to implant it so that there is no damage in the nearby area.